Hi students, this video will show you how to register online to take an exam at the SWIC Testing Center. I am through my Chrome web browser. You could also use any other web browser that is of your preference. I am going to go to Student Services, toggle over the name, and go down to Testing Centers and click. I will then scroll down to find where it says Instructional Testing Schedule an Appointment, and I will click. I will scroll down, and just a reminder, to schedule an appointment at the Granite City or Belleville Campus Testing Center, you must do so at least 24 hours in advance. There are no walk-in appointments. So you scroll down and you select the campus that you are interested in registering for to take an appointment. I'm going to click Belleville. You scroll down again, and now you type in your student information. You type in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your student email, which should be your student.swic.edu assigned email, and your student issued ID number. You then type in the course that you are taking. So for example, math. You type in the course number. You type in your course section number. These three can be found in the syllabus if you are unsure. Test number is just what exam number are you taking. Is it exam 1? Is it exam 2? Is it the final exam? Put in Melissa Rossi as your instructor. Click if you're going to take an on-campus or remote test. Click what type of computer you have. And then pick your first request appointment and your second request appointment. And then you click I'm not a robot and you submit. This will go to the testing center and you will need to check your email often to see if they have responded with confirmation. They will do so and let you know if either of those available times can be taken. You then just show up at your available time to the testing center with your calculator if you need it and your photo ID, and you can begin the test. Also here, if you need to know the hours, if we go back to Student Services and go back to Testing Centers, you can see if you scroll down that it also has a box for Testing Center hours and locations. If you click this, it will tell you the hours of the Granite City and Belleville Campus Testing Center.